We've had some pretty vicious wind last night. It kind of came on. It was a big surprise, and it wasn't our normal Santa Anas. And this is the result. This is a tree about 10 minutes from my house that has got to be easily maybe a 60-foot tree, and this sucker went down big time. Look what it did to this chain link fence. It just ripped through it. The trunk is probably, I don't know, 15, 20 feet thick, or in diameter. To give you some perspective, nobody's standing out here, so it's kind of hard to do. But here's the sawhorse there, the LA Department of Recs and Parks put up. I think the city called them in because DWP is probably overloaded with the massive amount of problems going on in their system right now. There's still 11,000 people as of this taping that are without power in the LA area. And this wasn't a normal Santa Ana event like we normally experience. This was something, a wind that just came out of nowhere, came from a different direction than normal. Because these trees, when they've been here as long as this one has, they build a resistance to the wind. Because it happens every year, and then when they're young, they're flexible and they can bend. But when they come out of a different direction, it really takes them by surprise. And apparently, according to the city officials, this one had a poor root system. So, pretty frightening. It also landed on or near two cars and smashed out the back window completely in one. I don't see that car right now, but it was here earlier. And it caused pretty sizable damage, probably to the other one as well. But we were very lucky nobody got hurt. One of the cars, the one that had the back window smashed out, I was talking to a gentleman. His wife had gotten out of the car 15 minutes earlier. Talk about Providence. Now you get a better perspective. There's a homeowner there in red. So you can see how tiny she is compared to this monster tree.